In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Notion with your local files and folders. This tutorial is designed to make your workflow more seamless by integrating your local files directly into Notion, enhancing both your productivity and efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate smoothly between your local files and Notion pages, allowing for a more streamlined digital experience. So, let's get started. First, locate the folder on your computer that you wish to link to Notion. It's important that you navigate directly to the folder itself. This is the folder where you store important documents, project files, or any other type of content that you access frequently. Once you have opened the folder and can see all of its contents listed there, the next step is to copy the folder path. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is a folder path? It's essentially the address that tells your computer where a folder is located. To copy the folder path, look towards the top of the folder window. You'll see the address bar that displays the current file path. Simply right-click on this path and select the option to copy from the drop-down menu. This action saves the path to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted where you need it. Next, switch over to your Notion workspace where you want to link this folder. Open the specific Notion page where this folder's link will be most useful. You might consider dedicating a section of a project page for all resource links, or create a new page specifically for local file links. Once you're in the desired page, click to add a new block where your link will go. If you want it to stand out, you might use a heading or toggle block for better organization. With the block ready for input, right-click and select Paste, or simply press the shortcut keys, which are often Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac, to paste the path you copied. It's crucial to ensure that the entirety of the folder path is pasted accurately, as even a small error in the path can lead to a broken link. Once pasted, Notion will display this string of characters within your page. That's it. You've successfully linked your local folder into Notion. Now, anytime you click on this link, it will open directly to the specified folder on your computer, providing quick access to your local files without leaving Notion. This linkage is a simple yet incredibly effective way to keep your work organized and your resources immediately accessible, blending the best of local and online tools. Remember, as you work, retaining organization and accessibility is key. Being able to easily reference your local files without breaking your concentration on your projects in Notion can significantly save you time and minimize distractions. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful in helping you enhance your Notion workspace with local file links. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.